Howdy YouTube, Jake Knoxrob here with Rim Revolution, quickly to show you our professional stage ceramic. So for all you guys who've been waiting on your new cars to come in, a lot of them are finally starting to roll in, and the best time to get the ceramic is right when you get it. So we want a quick overview of what we did on this one. Even coming from factory, this still had a bird stain etching that we had to get out, other small minor little scratches we had to get out. So we really specialize in the correction here. We do it for the dealerships in the area. We do it for some of our best customers, and we have a full paint mix system in-house. So anything we can't wet sand out, we can fill, wet sand, and then put a layer of ceramic or a couple layers of ceramic over there for your true protection. So bring it in right when you get that new car. For those of you who have got a car and want to get your paint looking fresh, bring it in now before winter's coming. So just a quick overview, we'll show you a water test on this one. So, nothing wanting to stay on the car, anything that will stay, I mean, you see these beads still going together and all forming together. Anything that won't, this microfiber barely picks up water to begin with. Wipes right off. This also came in and got the wheels done, so we do a lot more here than just ceramic coating, but we really specialize in the paint correction. So don't let the other shops fool you. Anybody can apply ceramic. It all comes down to the corrections, and that's what we specialize in. So bring it to us.